Okay, the song will be in three chords, but it would be a D here, G, D, D, and A, and back to D. So it would be like this. This would be a very good starting point for you to get the feel of the bow. If you can watch the bow here, what I'm doing with the bow, I'm usually starting on a downstroke. And I'm accenting with the downstroke. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. On the 1, I'm always pulling down. That's how I like to do it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and play the seconding for you, and we're just going to play this for a while, over and over. So you go ahead and practice with me, and you keep an eye on the bow as well, and try to get the hang of the way we're doing this, okay? Okay, now that you got the basic seconding, I'm going to just show you a few little hammer-ons, which would just add a little bit of color and make it a little funner for you to play if you're just getting into the seconding here. So, it'd be something like this. Okay. Starting off with this finger down here, first finger on the D string, same positioning, okay? This open A string, and I'm hammering on here. that last note there, I'm hitting it open, hammering down on that one finger. And remember, this is happening on the one beat, which is the downstroke.